First thing to do with this mock-up is to turn off the top layer, which is space saving layer. You can either toggle it off with the eye or drag it into trash. Now you can have a top lid on or off, or you can change the top lid from a cork to black, gold, bronze or silver. The label is controlled with this green highlighted layer, and you can double click the smart object here, or you can either select the layer and then go to layer, smart objects, edit contents. If you want to drop in your own design, you go file, place embedded, and find it on your hard drive, your own label. We can change this one. Let's do a minor change. And once you've finished, close this with the X and make sure you say yes to this. Then it will retain your changes. If you want to change the reflectiveness of the label, it's in the layer above called Layer Reflections, and you double click the Gaussian blur. Moving to the left will make it shinier, moving to the right will make it duller. If you want to change the wax color, it's all in this folder here. Now there's various densities of the wax going from the lightest through to the darkest, so you find something that matches your candle. If you need to change the color, select this layer. It's called the hue and saturation layer, and here you can drag to get to the color you want. And now if you find that it's not quite right, you can just change up or down the darkness. And if the saturation is not quite there, you can drag it left or right. There is a lightness you can fine tune, but that will affect the glass, so be careful with that one. Hopefully there's enough variations there to match your candle. Also below there is the rear lid. Obviously you can have that on or off, but you can also change it like the top lid. So let's get rid of the top lid, assume we're having it behind. You can either have a cork lid, or you can have the plastic with its own shadow there. You can also turn off the main shadow. You can also turn off the background and drop in your own background using the same way as we showed earlier. File, place embedded, and then find it on your hard drive. I think that's everything.